Okay, welcome back. In the previous video, we had discussed regarding fourth property, that is a reciprocal property. And I think first one already we have proved it. Prove that sin inverse x is equal to cosec inverse 1 by x, where x belongs to minus 1 comma plus 1 closed interval. And accordingly, and if I am correct, the first one already we have proved it. And as I mentioned earlier also, this property for examination point of view not so important, but still it should be there in your notes and practice it. For numerical sums, these all terms are badly required, especially for cosec inverse x. If you find, you have to recollect, you have to write it as sin inverse 1 by x. When you find sec inverse x, numerical sums banda takshana, you can take it as cos inverse of 1 by x. Cot inverse x, you can take it as tan inverse 1 by x, but the condition definitely it applies here, x greater than 0. And one more condition we have, which already I discussed in the previous video. So first proof already we had done it. Similarly, I had asked you to go for the second proof onwards, and I'm sure you people had done it. So to begin with here, here we have. So the second one, we have cos inverse x is equal to theta, provided if I consider it. So we can go for cos theta is equal to x. The reciprocal function is required, and provide if all the terms, domain and range has to be defined accordingly for the existence of cos inverse. Sec theta we find to be 1 by x. Therefore, I should say theta is equal to, it is a sec inverse 1 by x. So theta na compare madidre, I can say from 1 and 2, I find cos inverse x is equal to, from 1 and 2, cos inverse x is equal to sec inverse 1 by x. A very simple proof we have. So third one, I should say, let us consider tan inverse x is equal to theta, and back again I should come for trigonometry, that is tan theta is equal to x. In trigonometry, let me move for the reciprocal function, cot theta is equal to the reciprocal of this, I can go for 1 by x. Then back again in inverse trigonometry, I should say theta is equal to cot inverse 1 by x. By comparing 1 and 2, we finally conclude the answer, that is the property tan inverse x is equal to cot inverse 1 by x. Now similarly, if I approach the fourth one, let us assume cos inverse x is equal to theta. Back to trigonometry, cosec theta is equal to x. Back to reciprocal relation, sin theta is equal to 1 by x. Conclude, theta is equal to sin inverse 1 by x. Again from 1 and 2, I find cosec inverse x can be taken as sin inverse 1 by x. Okay. Now fifth one, I have left it for you. I hope you can solve this one. This should be taken in terms of, the fifth property I should say it is in terms of sec inverse x. So again try for it, sec inverse x is equal to theta. Sec theta is equal to x. Sec reciprocal, I should say cos theta is equal to 1 by x. And again theta is equal to, we have left out with 1 and 2, we have left out final conclusion, sec inverse x is equal to, it is cos inverse 1 by x. So write that property here, and okay, one more I had done it here. So for this domain only you restrict here, so I should say cot inverse x equal to theta, but x will be restricted as the given data says, x greater than 0, cot theta is equal to x, tan theta is equal to 1 by x, theta is equal to tan inverse 1 by x, same as what we had done, but this condition it is to be applied here. And finally, I should say it is cot inverse x is equal to, we should conclude it by tan inverse 1 by x for x greater than 0. So just practice this property, and for numerical sum shortly I will be asking you all these properties. Now this property, very important one, let us prove that sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2, where x belongs to minus 1 comma plus 1, closed interval. So any one out of these three, the second one I should say tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2, where x belongs to real, and third one cosec inverse x plus sec inverse x is equal to pi by 2, where x belongs to real number except minus 1 comma plus 1, it's open interval. ಈ ಮೂರು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಈ ಮೂರು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದನ್ನ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ we can expect in the board exam either for 2 marks or for 3 marks. So it's a very important property. Please mark it in your notes also, it's very important. You have to practice this property. Now when you analyze this whole property, this one, nodi property, this property has to stand because see what they say sin inverse x na nanu, I'm asking you people also to see it in the same way. Sin inverse x, henceforth I find it to be an angle theta. Cos inverse x is also an angle, I should take it as alpha. And they say that this angle plus this angle is 90 degrees. That means these two, can I call them as pair of complementary angles? You people had done in the lower class What do you mean by complementary angle? What do you mean by supplementary angles? Nenpidiya? I hope you remember. Okay. So to begin with here, complementary and supplementary angle. So we say here 30 degree as well as I should say it is 60 degree. These two make the pair of complementary angle because their sum itself is 90 degree. And for supplementary, of course, here we will not be discussing about that. So supplementary anta anno word na alli kuda now supplementary angles we have used it in geometry and that goes to 180 degree. For example, I should say it is 100 degree as well as 80 degree, 90 degree as well as 90 degree. But I am not speaking about supplementary here. My requirement is they are pair of complementary angles. So why I should call this as complementary angles antandre, they say sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is 90 degree anobekadre, x if it is same, then this is also an angle, this is also an angle. They say alpha plus beta, this angle sum is equal to, they say it is 90 degrees. ಹೀಗೆ ಯಾಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಕ್ಲೀನಾಗಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಇಟ್ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡನ್ ದ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಇನ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ. Once again I am coming for trigonometry. So in trigonometry you say for the various angles 0 degree, I should say 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, you say 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1, the reverse of course to be taken here. Okay, and when you find it is sin inverse x, x means what? X means what? They say it is 1 by 2. ಎರಡೂದು ಕಡೆನೂ 1 by 2, 1 by 2 ಸೇಮ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ sin inverse 1 by 2 ಅಂತಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಐ ಶುಡ್ ಸೇ ದಿಸ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ 30 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ cos inverse also if the same value 1 by 2 is available, 1 by 2 is available, 1 by this is x beta. If x is same, then the corresponding angle 30 degree, the corresponding angle 60 degree, these two angle make a pair of complementary angle, sum is 90 degree prove ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಕತ್ತಾರು. Got it? So ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಬರ್ಬೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್ sin inverse 1 by 2 ಅಂತ ಅಂದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ cos inverse 1 by 2 ಅಂದಾಗ there are many angles 30 degree, 150 degree, 390 degree, but it's not possible because already we have taken the inverse function existence in its range, that is minus 90 to plus 90, it's open closed interval. So ಹಾಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ಇದು ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀವು ಅನಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ they say angle is 90 degree, sum of those two angles is 90 degree, they make a pair of complementary. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ x ನ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ 1 by root 2 ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಸೈನ್ ಒಳಗೂ ಇದು 1 by root 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ಸೈನ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಒಳಗೂ ಕೂಡ 1 by root 2, ಇದು 1 by root 2, ಇದು 1 by root 2 and I find it's 45 degree angle, 45 degree angle and I should say 90 degree. So provide if also 0, 0, 0, 0 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇದು 0 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸಮ್ ಈಸ್ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಇಫ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಸ್ 1 ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 1 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ 1 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ 1 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಓಕೆ ಯು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಐ ಶುಡ್ 0 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸೈನ್ ಐ ಶುಡ್ ಸೇ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ, ಅಗೇನ್ ಐ ಶುಡ್ ಸೇ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಪೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟರಿ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಇದು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 15 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಮತ್ತು 75 ಡಿಗ್ರಿಗೂ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿರಬಹುದು. Okay, so for 15 degree what I should say here, it is root 3 minus 1 upon 2 root 2 and for this I should say it is root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2. ಇದು ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ for cos 15 degree, ಇದು ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ for cos 75 degree. So again I find here 75 and 15 degree, they make a pair of complementary angles. And the same even you can work it for the next one what I have to discuss here is regarding tan inverse x plus cot inverse x. X remains same. 1 hakona, 45 degree plus 45 degree, they make a pair of complementary angle, they make a pair of complementary angles. Got it? Idu understand ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕಾಯ್ತು, but proof part ಬಂದಾಗ because in exam they are going to ask you prove that. So ನೀವಿಲ್ಲಿ example ಕೊಟ್ಟು prove ಮಾಡೋದಲ್ಲ. 1 by 2 ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, 1 by 2 ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ 30 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆಯಿತು, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ 60 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆಯಿತು ಅನ್ನೋ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಕೊಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕೊಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಐ ಗಿವ್ ದಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಟು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್? ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಮೂವ್ ಫಾರ್. Okay, to prove this one there are many options, many ways are there to prove this one. Okay, but I have given the proof here according to your textbook pattern. Textbook ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ proof ಕೊಡಿದಲ್ಲ, the same thing I am trying to put it here. So let us say first only this part I am going to consider here. Let us say sin inverse x is equal to some angle theta. ಇದು ಆಂಗಲ್ ತಾನೆ, ಇದು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಆಂಗಲ್ ತಾನೆ. So that angle theta, and this theta should be definitely in the range of minus pi by 2 comma plus pi by 2. It is closed interval. Followed by what should happen? Sin theta. Back to trigonometry. ನೋಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಇದೆ. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಒಂದು ಟರ್ಮ್ ನ ತಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. Followed by we move for trigonometry. In trigonometry we make some certain changes. As change ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ again back to inverse we claim it here. Then we justify it. ಇದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡು ಥೀಟಾನ ನೀವು ಕ್ಲೇಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಬರೀತೀರಾ ಇಲ್ಲೇ. ಫಾರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಶುಡ್ ಸೇ ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ. ದೆನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ? ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಬೇಟಾ. ಹೌ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ? ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ ಇನ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ. You can say sine theta as, I should say, 1 minus cos square theta within a root. Okay, you can say sine theta as, last year you people have come across with submultiple multiplication. Other prakar hodre, you can say 2 sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2 is also valid. You can take its reciprocal function, that is sine theta can be taken as, I should say it is 1 upon the reciprocal, if I want to say cosec theta. Got it? So angle hage in terms of cos, in terms of sine and cos, but angle is half of the angle what they have given. So I should say 1 by cosec theta, isn't it? So idane innond riti aligned angle prakar kelidre, I can take sine theta as cos of 90 minus theta, isn't it? I can take it as cos of 90 plus theta. 90 plus theta second quadrant, will it get balanced? 90 plus theta second quadrant, and in second quadrant we find cos to be negative. Can I balance it by here minus sine? And so many options we have. So sine theta can also be taken as, of course, sine of 180 minus theta, and so on. So that out of all the relation, which relation we prefer here? Nodi, according to the statement, according to the proof here, I can take sine theta as in terms of cos is my requirement. So let me say it is cos of 90 minus theta is equal to x. Cos of 90 minus theta is equal to x. So followed by I should say it is 90. Of course I taken in terms of radian measure here. It's pi by 2 minus theta is equal to, I should say it is cos inverse of x. Followed by it's pi by 2 is equal to its cos inverse x. Balance it, we have plus theta. But what is theta? Earlier you people have taken theta itself as sin inverse x. So hagidre, let's conclude it here. That is further, I should say it is pi by 2 is equal to its cos inverse x plus sin inverse x. Hence we have proved the statement. Got it? It's a very important property, and this definitely in differentiation also we'll be using this property. Okay. So to begin with second one, I hope this property is clear for you and you have to practice it accordingly. Okay, one more option I can give you here. You can consider here cos inverse, one more option. Let us say cos inverse x is equal to theta. Cos theta is equal to x. How you can take cos theta in terms of sine? First quadrant, 90 minus theta is the first quadrant. So very well you can say it is cos theta tondre, sine of 90 minus theta. Everything it moves hand in hand, and finally come to a conclusion that sine inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. That's one more way of proving. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮೆಥಡ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸೇ sin inverse x is some angle alpha. Let us say cos inverse x is some angle beta. And what is our target to prove? Alpha plus beta is pi by 2. Okay, now tell me in trigonometry how we prove that angle is 90 degree. In trigonometry, how do we prove that angle is 90 degree? See, in trigonometry if you want to prove that angle is 90 degree, idne enadu prove mali kotre, what we do there, we apply both the sides sine. That is sin theta, and here also I should say it is sin 90 degree. If at all the value is, okay, let us keep this LHS as it is. If at all sin 90 degree, the value is 1 bantu antandre, then we say to prove theta 90 degree, angle 90 degree, we have the habit of proving here, that is sine function use ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ sin ಹಾಕಿ ಆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಾದರೂ 1 ಬಂದ್ರೆ, this implies theta is 90 degree. I hope last year people had done in the compound angle topic, such questions were highlighted. So similarly to prove this also, I think I am not wasting your time. To prove this one, sin inverse x plus cos inverse x, alpha plus beta is equal to pi by 2 prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, let us consider sin of alpha plus beta is equal to sin 90 degree. and you can carry on with that procedure also. Sine of alpha plus beta ಅಂದ್ರೆ compound angle expansion ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ. Sine alpha here, sine of alpha plus beta, sine alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sine beta is equal to, here I should say sine pi by 2. Start with LHS on and move on. You'll get a conclusion. Finally, you come with this conclusion here. Sine inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2 is one more way of proving. Okay, if it is required, you go ahead. Otherwise, this is a textbook proof which I am giving here. I think this is a easy method also, and you can remember it easily. Okay, so to begin with, here I should say here we have tan inverse x is equal to theta. Second one we are dealing now. Tan theta is equal to x, followed by I should say it is cot of 90 pi by 2. Here tan theta is taken as cot of 90 minus theta. Claim for the same relation is equal to x. We have pi by 2 minus theta is equal to cot inverse x. So pi by 2 is equal to cot inverse x plus theta. This should give us pi by 2 is equal to cot inverse x plus tan inverse x. Got it? So similarly, I hope you can go for the next third one. Again, any one function, either cosec inverse togoli or sec inverse togoli. Third one prove ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. So let us say cosec inverse x equal to theta. Cosec theta is equal to x. Back in terms of sec, its co-function is required. Sec of 90 minus theta is equal to x. Because in the barcode, pi by 2 minus theta is equal to, we have sec inverse x. So finally I should say pi by 2 is equal to sec inverse x plus theta. Theta is nothing but cosec inverse x only, which I claimed it here. So this is a very important property, and shortly this property will be using it. Okay, so write down and make a note of this and remember this property also. Followed by I should say here we have conversion property. So conversion property is also very important. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ದಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು. ಅಂಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸೈನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ in terms of cos inverse, in terms of tan inverse, in terms of cosec inverse, sec inverse, cot inverse, x ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಕೂಡ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆನೇ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ರೀತಿದು. ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. ದೇ ಮೇ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಯು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ದಟ್ sin inverse x is equal to cos inverse root of 1 minus x square ಇಷ್ಟನ್ನೇ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. Or the question can be asked, prove that sin inverse x is equal to tan inverse x upon root of 1 minus x square ಇಷ್ಟನ್ನೇ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. Or this part, and this already we have proved it in which property? Reciprocal property. So already we have done this one. Similarly, this question can be asked, these two terms can be asked. So they can pick out any two terms and they can ask you to prove it. Whereas notes ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಷನ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಕನ್ವರ್ಷನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು, and accordingly I have framed here. So how best we can do it here? This question can also be done by substitution method ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಲಾಗು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Shortly in the numerical sums will be applying that, but here all the terms are there to prove, and I have framed the proof accordingly only. So sin inverse x ಅಂತಂದಾಗ ನನ್ನ ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಕಾಣ್ತಿರೋ ಥೀಟಾ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಆಂಗಲ್, but restricted. Theta belongs to minus pi by 2 comma plus pi by 2. Back to trigonometry, I find sin theta is equal to x. See, when I am in trigonometry, sin theta, ಈ sin theta ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ಗೂ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅದು ಯಾವುದದು? ಕಾಸು ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ, ಟ್ಯಾನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ, ಕೊಸೆಕು ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಇಫ್ sin theta is x, ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಒಂದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು, ಮಿಕ್ಕಿರೋ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿಬಹುದು. ಹೇಗೆ? ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಂತಂದ್ರೆ ದ ಟಾಪ್ ಸೀಕ್ರೆಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಟೇಕನ್ ಆಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬೈ 1. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬೈ 1 ಅಂತಂದಾಗ ಒಂದು ರೈಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈನ್ ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತದೆ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇಸ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಇಸ್ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಹೈಪೋಟಿನಸ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ರೈಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೋ ಎರಡು ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಓನ್ಲಿ 2 ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಗಿವನ್. ಸೈನ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಅಪಾನ್ ಹೈಪೋಟನಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಹಾಗೆ, ಕಾಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್? ಯಾ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಸೇಸ್ adjacent side as well as hypotenuse is given to us. Similarly, tan, cosec, ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕರೆ ಸಾಕು ನಮಗೆ. I can find out the left out 5 trigonometric functions which you people had done in first year itself. The clue was given there also. We discussed regarding this. So hagidre let me come for the proof part here. Sin theta is x by 1, opposite upon hypotenuse. Back to triangle frame ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. You have to write this triangle, you have to frame this triangle side by. Then say theta, I am showing an angle here. With respect to theta, I should speak about opposite side is x, hypotenuse is 1. So left out side na hege calculate ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಡಿ. ಹೌ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಇನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್. Okay, in a right angle triangle, if two sides are known to us, then the left out side na hege calculate ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? That is using Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so BC is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ BC square ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬಹುದು ನೀವಿಲ್ಲಿ. It is a AC square minus AB square. तो theorem ಬರ್ಕೋತ ಬನ್ನಿ. And finally find the answer. BC should be beta. It is a hypotenuse. This is bada minus this is chota. So square 1 square 1 minus x square. BC square is transferred. We have root of 1 minus x square. So I can write it here. It is root of 1 minus x square. So once we have this, all the three sides are there. Then no one can stop us from writing all the functions. So therefore anta ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರೋಣ. ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿದು ಬರೋಣ. Cos theta is adjacent upon hypotenuse, which can be taken as root of 1 minus x square. Trigonometry, modification ಎಲ್ಲ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಈಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಂಪ್ಲೈಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ 1 minus x square. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್. ಹಾಗೆ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಥೀಟಾ? x upon opposite upon adjacent root of 1 minus x square. Modification that implies theta is equal to tan inverse of x upon root of 1 minus x square. So this is similar. I should go for cosec theta. Therefore cosec theta is equal to 1 by x. Theta is cosec inverse 1 by x. Fourth result. Sec theta, hypotenuse divided by adjacent 1 upon root of 1 minus x square. Theta is sec inverse of fifth result. Cot theta, claim it. Theta is equal to cot inverse. So ella result theta and initial also you have taken theta only. So can I say from 1, this you can get as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all are theta only. Can I say from 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6 here, I can say sin inverse x is equal to cos inverse theta same idella. Cos inverse root of 1 minus x square is also equal to tan inverse x root of 1 minus x square is also equal to cosec inverse 1 by x is also equal to sec inverse 1 upon root of 1 minus x square is also equal to cot inverse root of 1 minus x square upon x. Hence we have proved this whole theorem. All the conclusions have been proved at a stretch. Got it? ಆದರೆ ಕೆಲವೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಯಾರು ಈ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಇಫ್ ದೇ ನೋ ಇಟ್ ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಮಿ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಮೇಡಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಐ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಬೈ ಪುಟಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಪುಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕೋಬಹುದಾ? ಎಸ್ ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್, ಇವನ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಹಾಗೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೊಳಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪುಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇದು. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಈ ಸೈನ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, how? Prove that sin inverse x is equal to tan inverse x upon root of 1 minus x square. ಇದನ್ನ ಅಷ್ಟನ್ನೇ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ put x is equal to sin theta. That is called substitution method. ಆ ಮೆಥಡ್ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, the chapter which is right now you are learning differentiation ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, and shortly I'll be teaching you that method also. But just as I mentioned, this is a property according to textbook, and textbook ಪ್ರಕಾರನೇ ಈ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. It's a conversion property where you deal with all the functions at a stretch. So in the same here, of course, we have in the conversion property itself, we have one more cos inverse also. So prove that cos inverse x is equal to sin inverse root of 1 minus x square is equal to tan inverse is equal to sec inverse is equal to cosec inverse is equal to cot inverse. It is in terms of cos inverse na ella functions alli kelta idare. So same format le try ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾ? So have a look here. Let us say cos inverse x equal to theta. Cos theta is equal to x. Definition, adjacent upon hypotenuse, because this means x by 1. So again triangle. Okay. So it is adjacent. Hypotenuse. Left out side you have to calculate using Pythagoras relation. We have root of 1 minus x square. So back to here sin theta. It's root of 1 minus x square, which implies theta is equal to sin inverse. I hope the terms are clear. Root of 1 minus x square. So tan theta is equal to, please make a note, that implies theta is equal to tan inverse root of 1 minus x square upon x. Third conclusion, sec theta 1 by x, concluded for theta. Cosec theta, concluded for theta, it's cosec inverse of 1 upon root of 1 minus x square. Fifth result, cot theta, triangle ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, and theta is equal to cot inverse of, it's x upon root of 1 minus x square. So from 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, Okay, we find that cot inverse x can be taken as sin inverse root of 1 minus x square in terms of tan inverse, in terms of sec inverse, in terms of cosec inverse, in terms of cot inverse. Okay, and hence proved anta baritira. So it is cos inverse in terms of the various inverse functions left out. Conversion property. Similarly, I am sure you people are curious to know in terms of tan inverse also, and I am definitely sure that you people are curious to solve it also. So let me give as a homework for you. Prove that tan inverse x is equal to, it is sin inverse x upon root of 1 plus x square is equal to cos inverse 1 upon root of 1 plus x square is equal to cosec inverse of root of 1 plus x square upon x, as well as in terms of sec inverse as well as in terms of cot inverse. So you put the statement in a prove martira in the same format what earlier I had done it. It's a conversion property. Conversion. Our exam alli ella results nu kellikilla. They may ask you only this part. They may ask you only this and this part. Prove that. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಬೇರೆ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರೋ ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕಲ್ ಸಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ನೌ. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸೇ tan inverse x equal to theta, tan theta is equal to x by 1. ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಅಪಾನ್ adjacent, triangle claim ಮಾಡಿ, left out side hypotenuse will be left out this time, calculate and so on. Back to you from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Try to conclude the answer. Okay, so let me continue it in the next video, dear. Thank you.